Hello guys, how you doing? This is Alfonso Cavazos and I'm gonna show you my video about how I create my bootable USB images. So let me show you guys. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my USB, which I had it over here. So I'm gonna open up my Rufus and I'm gonna start um, selecting and check for my ISOs so I can show you the images that I create with those tools. Let me go ahead and select and see. I got my downloads. The first one that I create is this one. It's gonna be ready. It's gonna be close. So then I'm gonna put my computer and then I'm gonna go for F12. So I'm gonna boot the computer and I'm gonna see and I'm gonna see the format that I have. So I'm gonna show you the image that I create. It's gonna take a little bit time, but it's coming. So I'm gonna go on this one in the UEFI boot. Okay, I'm gonna click enter. Then my computer is gonna go. It's gonna check the diagnostic, which is Lightsoft Live. With this tool that I create, is help us on the industry how to recover files. This one, it can help us to clean up. It's a lot of tools that we can use with this one. Let's see, we have unlock password, or we don't remember the password on the computer. So with this tool, it helps us how to recover the password. It doesn't tell you exactly what the password is, but we can change the password and we can get up and run the computer again. It's gonna take a little bit time. Okay, this image is coming. Okay, this is the one that I create, which is called Lysosoft. This is one of the images that I create. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one. Okay, so we have these tools. So if we open one of those, so we can see the different tools that is gonna help us on the computer industry, which it says recovery my password. So it's gonna show us a lot of steps or tools that we can do and different problems that we have on the computer. So we have those options right here. It says recover my password, Windows recovery, disk images clone, data recovery, and it's a very good helpful tool in case that we need it for certain problems that we have on the computer industry. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the computer because I'm gonna show you another tool that I create. So let me just it's gonna take a little bit time because I went to log off my computer. I'm gonna turn it on again, and I'm gonna select the other image, the other ISO that I run on this case to show you what was my computer. Okay, I need to disconnect this one because I had to reboot my computer. I had to unplug my USB because if not, it's gonna read it again and it's gonna try to boot it as the image that I create. So I'm gonna wait for a computer to come back with the operating system that is my regular computer, which is Windows 10. And I'm gonna wait a little bit to the computer up and run. So I had to open my Rufus again and choose the other tool that I create. Just give us a little bit time, and then we are ready to work on the second image that I create. Okay, it's coming back. It's a little bit more time, guys. Sorry for the waiting, but that's what I had to do on this case. Alright, so I'm gonna open up my Rufus again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and select my ISO. Alright, and I'm gonna go to my desktop, and I have this one right here. So I'm gonna plug in my USB again, so it can help me to read the image that I create. So it's gonna be ISO boot. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it. I'm gonna go ahead and restart my computer to boot the computer again. I'm sorry. So let me just go ahead and I click it on the settings instead of the power. So let me restart it. So instead to turn it in, and then I'm gonna press F12. I'm gonna use the F12 before after the computer wants to start on again. So I'm gonna press it to go to the UEFI. Okay, it's taking a little bit time, then it's coming. Alright, so let me go to the EFI boot again, the UEFI. So press OK. So it's gonna send me again. This file probably is gonna open up the same image, because I was clicking on it and I think I got the same one. So I need to wait a little bit to see if we got the good one. Just give me 1 second to boot the computer. Okay, this one give me the same, so I had to log it off again. Shutdown computer. I already explained on this one, so I had to go to shut down the computer again to choose my next image that I create. Okay, computer is coming. I had to wait on this one because I had to go to the Rufus again, and I had to select my next image that I created, and then I can show you guys what I did for my second image. It's taking time. It's coming. Right. Okay, let me go to my Rufus. Right. To go to my selection. To go to my downloads, and I got this one right here. Right, so I had to close it. I had to restart my computer. Oh shit. Shut down the computer. And then I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna start putting with my F12 button. Let me just go ahead and wait for the computer to turn off. Okay, let me turn it on again. Okay, I'm pressing the F12 just to boot the computer. Okay, let me go to the, it says other options. On this one doesn't give me the UEFI, so on this one I had to go to network hard drive. This one is gonna give me the image that I create. Because probably it's gonna go back to my computer. Yes, it went back to my computer. Open our Rufus. Select my image. Go to my downloads. Okay. gonna go ahead and close this. I'm gonna go to restart my computer. And then I'm gonna put F12. I'm just waiting on the computer come back so it can take me to my UFEI. Okay, next on this one is just take me to the BIOS. This utility does what it has. CPU speed, what it has. Just press escape to exit. Scarring, yes. It's gonna take me to my computer. I'm just waiting to computer load up. Okay. I show you it's taking time. I have to wait a little bit. Let me open up the Rufus again. Okay. Then I have to insert my USB. Then I'm gonna select my image. My loads. I'm gonna put this image right here. I'm gonna open. Right. So select the close it. I'm gonna restart computer. Then I'm gonna turn it on again. Just waiting computer to come back again. I'm gonna press the F12 button. Okay. It's gonna take more time.